Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you question number 3 of exercise 1.3 chapter number first integers. And we have completed two questions of this exercise, question number 1 and 2, and now this video is for question number 3. In this question we have to find out for any integer a. They have given me the integer a, and I have to find out the multiplication of that integer by -1. It's simple, we have to multiply -1 by a, and what the answer we will get, we have to find out. So our solution is, if we will multiply this -1 by a, what answer we will get. Here we will apply the rule of the multiplication, and if you don't know the rule of multiplication, then please go to my first video into integers introduction, and there you will find the rules of multiplication with example. And in this question there is a first number which is negative, that is 1, and the another number is positive. And if one number is negative and another number is positive, then the sign of the answer is in negative form. So it's very simple, we will multiply this a by 1, and you know that if any number multiply by 1, the answer will get the same number. So if I multiply this a by 1, I will get the answer a. But what is the sign of that answer? We will apply the rule of multiplication here, because one number is negative, that is 1, and a is positive, so we will get the answer in a minus, that is minus a. Because the reason is that the reason I have explained here, because when we multiplied any integer a with -1, then we get the additive inverse of that integer. I have told you about the additive inverse term. What is the additive inverse term? Suppose I want to know the additive inverse of 2. So it's very simple, additive inverse of 2 is -2. What I have done, I have just changed the sign of that number. It's plus 2, and I have just changed the sign of that number, that is -2. So 2 minus 2 is the additive inverse of 2. So here if you see that our question is a, and the answer we got, that is minus a. So minus a is the additive inverse of a, that I have written this, that and the formula to get the additive inverse is that if I want to take the additive inverse of any number, so its formula is I have to multiply that number by -1. Suppose in this question additive inverse of 2 is -2. So what I have done, I have just multiplied the 2 by -1, and I got the additive inverse of 2, that is -2. So it's very simple to get the additive inverse, just multiply that number by -1. That I have written here, that when we multiplied any integer, that is a, with -1, then we get additive inverse of that integer. So our third question, second part is, determine the integer whose product with -1, and they have given me the three parts, a, b and c, and in a they have given the value -22, and in a b they have given the value 37, and in a c 0. What we have to do in this question, we have to multiply these products by -1. So we will do the first part, and in the first part, that is -22, we have to multiply that -22 by -1. So our solution is multiply -22 with -1. What we will get, that is -22 multiplied by -1, and I have written this -1 in a bracket because this is a negative number, and -22 is also in a bracket. So when I multiply that 22 by 1, I will get the answer 22. But the point is plus 22 or -22. Here I will apply the rule of a multiplication here, and that is one number is negative, that is 22, and the another number is also negative, and if both number are negative, the sign of the answer is in a positive. So I will get the answer 22, that is plus 22. So if you will see that our question is -22 and our answer is 22. So 22 is the additive inverse of minus 22. 22 is the additive inverse of this minus 22, because they in additive inverse means change the sign of that number. So we will do the second part here, and in the second part they have given me the value 37. What I have to do in this question, that I have to multiply that 37 by minus 1, because they have asked me to determine the integer whose product with minus 1 means I have to multiply that integer with minus 1. What number we will get? We will multiply that 37 by minus 1, and here we will apply the rule of multiplication here. And if I multiply 37 by 1, 37 by 1, I will get the answer simple 37. But the point is plus 37 and minus 37. Here I will apply the rule of multiplication, and in 37 is a positive number and 1 is a negative number. And if one number is positive and another number is negative, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So I will get the answer minus 37, and minus 37, look at this, answer is minus 37, which is an additive inverse of this question, which is an additive inverse of plus 37. And we will do the third part, and in the third part they have given me the value 0, and we have to multiply that 0 by minus 1. And I have told you so many times that if you multiply any number by 0, you will get the answer simply 0. So when I will multiply 0 by minus 1, I will get the answer 0. So in a 0, we do not take care of the plus and a minus side, simple 0. 0 is a positive number. So here I mentioned that the product of a negative integer and the 0 gives 0 only. It means that we have done the product of a negative number, that is minus 1, and with the 0. So we will get the answer 0. 0 only. So we have completed the third question, first and second part. Now we will do the question number 4, and question number 4, it's very simple. What we have to do in this question, starting from minus 1 multiplied by 5, they have given me that I have to start from this number, write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 equals to 1. It's simple. They have given me this question, minus 1 multiplied by 5. I have to multiply this minus 1 until the number minus 1 I will get. It means I will do, then you will get to know. First of all, I will multiply that minus 1 by 5. That minus 1 by 5, and in the next step I will multiply minus 1 by 4, and in the third step I will multiply that minus 1 by 3, then by 2, and then by 1, and then by 0, and in the last by minus 1, because they want that show me the pattern of this, that minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. And if I will multiply that minus 1 by minus 1, can I get the answer 1? They want to show that pattern. So in the first step, what we will do, we will multiply that minus 1 multiplied by 5. Here it's very simple. If we multiply 5 by 1, we will get the answer 5. We will have to apply the rule of a multiplication, because here one number is negative, that is 1, and 5 is positive. And if one number is negative and another is positive, the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our answer is minus 5, not plus 5. And in the second step, what we will do, we will multiply minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So if we multiply 4 by 1, we will get the answer 4. But for the sign of the answer, we have to apply the rule of a multiplication here. And here one number is negative, that is 1, and another number is positive. And if one number is negative and another number is positive, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our answer is minus 4. And in the third step, we will multiply minus 1 by 3. And if we multiply 3 by 1, we will get the answer 3. And here I have applied the rule of a multiplication here, because minus 1 is a negative number and 3 is a positive. And if one number is negative and another is positive, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our answer is minus 3. And in the fourth step, we will multiply that minus 1 by 2. and if we multiply 2 by minus 1 we will get the answer minus 2. And in the fifth step we will multiply minus 1 by 1. What answer we will get? We will get the answer simple minus 1, and we have applied the rule of a multiplication here, because one number is negative and another number is positive, and if one number is negative and another number is positive, so the sign of the answer is in a negative, that is minus 1. And in the next step we will multiply this minus 1 by 0. We will multiply this minus 1 by 0, and if we multiply 0 by minus 1 we will get the answer simple 0. And in the last step what we will do, we will multiply that minus 1 by 1. What answer we will get? If we apply the rule of a multiplication here one number is negative, that is minus 1, and another number is also negative. If both numbers are negative, so the answer of the sign is in a positive, and we have proved that minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 1. And in the next video we will do the remaining parts, and if you find any problem regarding any question, you can comment me and ask me, and in the next video we will do the remaining questions. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video with some other questions.